Hi, this is Bill Raymond, and welcome to the final video of my video series on creating a Docker AI and machine learning template using Visual Studio Code. Now, there might be future videos, and that's why I'm here to talk to you right now. If you are looking for other videos, please let me know in the comments. For example, we could put our template up onto Docker Hub so that we can use it there, and we can even share that with people. People don't even have to understand fully what a Docker file is for that matter. And I'm betting that you might also want to use things like Streamlit or Flask or what have you with Python so that you could build web-based scenarios around the models that you build. So if you're interested in any of those things, just let me know in the video comments below. The one thing I do want to point out in this video series is that I do provide a link to a GitHub repository that contains all of the code that I shared with you throughout this video. Now, what I will try to do is keep that code up to date. So this kind of creates a little bit of a problem because on the video, I might copy and paste code that does not look exactly the same. So what I'm going to do is rename the video files so it just says video or from video or something like that. It will mention the fact that this is the original code versus any kind of new code that I might put up there. So do keep an eye out for it because, these things, they have a tendency to get old fast. If you see a video from a year ago that someone created, it may or may not work because technology changes so quickly. So I will try to keep everything up to date. And you can feel free to go into the comments or even go to my GitHub repo and suggest changes if you know how to do that. So I hope you enjoyed this series, and I'm looking forward to hearing how you like it. Thank you for watching this video. If you want more like this, please like, comment, and click the bell to support my channel.